Hi everyone and welcome back to the series Gradient Reinforcement for Hello Allplan project. So today we will together Gradient Reinforcement for walls in this project. Of course, using our wall reinforcement Python part. Okay, let's start. We will first reinforce for walls in ground floor. So as you can see here, we have drawing here ground floor walls model, upper floor walls model in reference mode. And drawing will contain reinforcement. Okay, let's reinforce this wall first. I double click to the Python Parts icon. Then I select the wall that I want to reinforce. As you can see here, we need an offset at the start of this wall. So I click to this adjacent wall to get it. The same for the offsets at end wall. And I want to create starter rebars adapted to the above wall. So I click to the above wall. And next, I press Escape button to open the interface of the tool. Okay, here we have offsets for start and end wall. And slab above with depth is 200 mm. Alright, in element type error, I define to create as Python Parts elements so that we can modify it later. Now move to define for rebars parameter. Concrete cover 15 mm. We have ability to switch between rebars in horizontal and vertical with this button. Now go to Expand tab to define some more advanced parameters. Minimum bar length 100 mm and maximum bar length 14 m are okay. For overlap length, I will define by input value here 700 mm. And we can tick here to define overlap at the middle of the wall if needed. Input value here to define distance between two layers of additional rebars. In this case, I intend to create just one layer, so just ignore it. Okay, now we define for close startups. With hook length 160 mm and hook angle 90 degree. Concrete cover 50. And for this function, input the value of minimum opening, and the tool will ignore all openings which are smaller than this value.